Technological developments present a variety of digital asset innovations, including cryptocurrencies or cryptocurrencies. Digitization and the Industrial Revolution have played a role in the increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies. Time reports that the cryptocurrency market is now worth more than $3 trillion. According to data from CoinMarketCap, there are currently more than 13,506 types of cryptocurrencies, one of which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, a pseudonym. Launching Yahoo Finance. Bitcoin was the best-performing digital asset from March 2011 to March 2021 with an annualized return of 230%. This figure can make people interested in Bitcoin investment. According to the letter of the Coordinating Minister for the Economy No. S302/M.Econ. 09, 2018. Bitcoin and other crypto assets can be used as investment tools to be included as commodities that can be traded on futures exchanges. Crypto trading in Indonesia is approved and supervised by the Commodity Futures Trading Regulatory Agency, COFTRA. Bitcoin is a digital currency that is created and stored electronically. As a digital currency, Bitcoin does not have a physical form like fiat currency. There is no governing authority or centralized body controlling it. Referring to the book Bitcoin From Beginner to Expert, Bitcoin is decentralized, so it is not controlled by a single entity. Blockchain technology or network system is used to verify all transactions. These activities are recorded in a transparent and secure public ledger or public ledger that is instantly recognizable. Based on the book The Bitcoin Genesis. The history of Bitcoin dates back to November 2008. A person with the username Satoshi Nakamoto released a paper to the cryptography mailing list. This paper consists of 9 pages and is entitled, Bitcoin: A Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System.